Okay, good people, welcome to day 24 of our daily Python test. Today's challenge is quite simple. We're just to write a simple function named param count. It takes in a variable number of parameters, meaning any amount of parameters. It could take 3, 5, 24, 3000. And then our function, all our function is going to do is to count how many parameters has been passed into that function. That's just it. So maybe if our function now has taken in 3, maybe 3 parameters have been passed into this our function now, then it should return 3. But if 0 parameters have been passed, like no parameters have been passed into it, it should return 0. Enough talking, let's get into the works. It's just a simple line, I believe. So first off, we define our function param count, and now this is how you will be able to tell this function that it should take in a variable amount of parameters. All you do is you put star args. Now in Python we have star args like this. Let me just put that here. We have star args and we have star quarks. Quarks now is for keyword argument, but args is for argument. So these are just how it's written, args and quarks. But in this our challenge today, this is all we're working with. We're working with args. So let's do this. Yeah, so simply return the length of args that have been passed in here. So yeah, look, we got it right. See y'all in tomorrow's challenge. Please drop a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe if you still haven't, and ring the notification bell icon. Drop a comment in the comment section below if you don't understand something or you need clarity on what args and arguments and keyword arguments are, or how to work with them, or what you've been used them for. Or you can simply call me up. I do private tutorials. See you all tomorrow. Bye.